All right, everyone, so it's time to get this chocolate pudding pie done and put in the refrigerator. So what I have in here is 2 boxes of this chocolate instant pudding and pie filling, 3.9 ounces from Walmart. Doesn't matter what brand you use, but I have 2 boxes of that. And I'm going to you're going to need a tub of Cool Whip, whatever brand. And I have 2.5 cups of milk here, cold milk. Now, if you look at the boxes, they say put 2 cups of milk for each box. But what I'm going to do, the reason I use 2.5 cups only, is I'm going to pour half of the pudding in the crust, and the other half is going to get mixed with Cool Whip, some of the Cool Whip, and then I'll save some Cool Whip to top it. And then you can, on top of your Cool Whip, you could put like chocolate shavings or Oreo crumbs. I happen to have neither, so nothing goes on top. But I have done both. All right. So we're going to pour about half of this in the pie crust. So let me bring over the pie crust. And let's pour. Now some of the crust went down on the edge here, if you can see. So some of the pie or the pudding might go underneath, I don't know. All right, so let's get some of this in here. It's been a while since I made a pudding pie. I usually do quite a bit in the summertime, but it has been a while. All right, so we're going to put this to the side. Actually, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for now. All right, so now I'm going to open up the Cool Whip. Every tub of Cool Whip that I open, I have to run my fingers through at least once or twice to taste. I love Cool Whip. All right, so I'm going to put some of this in here, and I'm going to leave that for the topping. And we're just going to mix this together. All right, so I'm going to bring out the pie pan. And now we are going to pour this over this. Oh, just wait. Okay, so now I'm just going to spread this to cover the pie crust. Okay, so now I'm going to take the rest of my Cool Whip and top the pie. All right, so there is the chocolate pudding pie. Again, as I said, you can drizzle like Oreo crumbs or a grated chocolate bar. I've done both before, but I just don't have either. But it's going to be just as good. So now the convenience of covering it and putting it in the refrigerator, let it set, and we'll be ready to eat it. So there is another simple dessert. So, all right, everyone. So it is the next night after I made that chocolate pudding pie. And as I said in that video, I didn't have any topping for it. No Oreo crumbs, no chocolate, shaved chocolate. So I ended up going to the Dollar Tree for some other stuff. So I thought I'd pick up a couple Hershey bars to basically shred so I can top it over the chocolate pudding pie. And I bought 2 Hershey bars. These are just the regular size ones. And I threw them in the freezer. So they've been in the freezer since I got home, which it's been a while. So I'm going to go ahead and shred this. And it's pretty skinny, so hopefully it shreds pretty good. All right, everyone, so here is the chocolate pudding pie, and this is pretty much what I got before it started getting soft again and melting. So this will do just fine. I'm just going to spread this all over it. It's actually for looks more than anything, because it's not going to really change the taste of it. All right, see, now I got chocolate all over me. So, all right, so I'm going to cut some pieces. We're going to have some now. And yeah, stay tuned.